Looking for a great little truck? Well, I think we found it. 1997 Ford Ranger Super Cab, 4.0-liter V6, automatic, power windows locks, power driver seat, sliding rear window and lots more. So get in here today and see just how much truck you really can afford at carstrucksandtoys.comAt. Carstrucksandtoys.com. All vehicles have a clean title, go through a thorough vehicle inspection, and qualify for extended warranties. We offer in-house financing with flexible terms, so call or come on down today. Credit problems? We can help. Cash customers make us an offer. See you soon. Vehicle history report available on every vehicle.